Good morning, guys. Today we're going to celebrate in the beginning of the video, and then we're going to end this video with something honestly a little bearish. The most bearish article for the S&P 500 I possibly have ever seen is trending #1 on Google today. The sentiment behind that is not good, and I want you guys need to know this if you're trading crypto. All right, let's go in and start this video. Let's make this a happy Friday. Guys, the last trade we ended up taking for our scalping strategy was Doge, and if you guys have been following us, we are currently sitting at 440% more than the S&P 500. If you guys actually take the high of the S&P 500 and where we're at, we're actually over 600% profit over the S&P 500. Those are staggering numbers. If you guys are using your full balance, if you're using one buy limit, you're 22, two buy limits, you're 14.67, three, you're 11%. Guys, come trade with us. I promise you guys will do. You're going to love this, okay? I literally spend all my days looking at scalping trades for you guys, and it's just $75 a month. Imagine what your accounts are able to do with an increase in the market of, let's say, 44% or 22%. Guys, no brainer. Along those lines, here's something really cool. The people who are actually trading with us and trading with our indicators, they're doing really well. So I just want to say a quick congratulations and we'll move on, guys. This guy yesterday, he bought the bundle pack and the top and bottom finder. He's like, within 2 hours of purchasing, he made his money back. I made back the cost of the bundle pack and the top and bottom finder within 2 hours of purchasing and installing the indicator. That is awesome. This guy makes $120 here. This guy makes $110, pays for his membership, makes $5,000 in the last 2 weeks with the trend exhaustion, price while money flow. Guy makes literally 450% using leverage with the top and bottom finder. I've never seen this before, guys. Another guy, he's like, I got set up yesterday. I've already made my money back. Guys, if you're going to purchase tools in the crypto market, you need to make your money back. Another guy already made my money back and more. So it's just been really awesome. This guy took his account from $150 and literally turned it into $3,000 using the indicators. So I'll be going over that today, but I just thought you guys would like that and just wanted to celebrate a few people on here. Biggest thing we're doing, guys, before I dive into this ridiculously bearish article and honestly a picture of an animal that scared the heck out of me this morning when I scrolled down on the screen, you guys want to be watching for the next buy signal. Top and bottom finders in the description. You guys will get a massive discount on this. So I know this was a long intro, but here is how we are making money, guys. Our account is still up $2,817 and the market's going down. Snag it in the description, but let's get into this. Watch for the buy signals on Bitcoin and Ethereum. We are going to buy this thing up like crazy the next time we get a buy signal. Call the bottom over here. Bitcoin, call the bottom, exactly. Call the bottom over here and bottoms over here. All right, guys, let's dive in. I wanted to just jack you guys up. This thing is working for us. S&P 500, let's dive on into this. Okay, I'm going to take this off here because I don't want to give things away just yet, but I'll give you guys a little precursor. You guys can see that drop that I'm looking at. Here's the #1 trending article on, this is crazy. I can't believe I'm even reading this out to you guys. The S&P 500 news. Today is September 16th. This is posted 1 hour ago. The #1 trending article on all of Google News is this. A further 27% drop in the S&P 500 could be coming if inflation hawks are right. Goldman Sachs team warns. All right. I'll show you guys a chart. I'm going to compare this to S&P 500 and the SPY. Basically, it's a factor of 10 that the SPY reduces by. Okay, let's look at this article here. I basically just read this out to you guys, but I want you to see this. And I was looking at this, guys. I scroll. This is what I saw this morning. So I'm over here scrolling down. It's like 6:30 in the morning, and I see this guy just staring at me. And I'm not going to lie, it like scared the heck out of me when I scrolled down on here. So I'm like, all right, regain composure and let's move on here. Here's what these guys are talking about. I'll link this in the description. In the more severe scenario where the jobless rate would have to hit 6%, the S&P 500 would fall 27% to below 2,900. The yield on the 5-year treasury would climb 182 basis points and the dollar would rise 8%. Okay, I'll link this so you guys can read this. Here's the basic point of this, is that when you guys start seeing articles like this that are trending #1 on Google, this adds to the sentiment and the emotional behavior of traders. You must understand that. When an article is pumped out to millions and millions of people, you guys need to understand this is probably going to affect the sentiment. And it's funny enough, guys, based off this article coming out, it could have something to do with us gapping down on the S&P today. The SPY is what we're going to be looking at. We're down 1.13%. Now, if you guys take a look, and if they happen to be correct, and we go to the weekly time frame here, guys, and we take a look at how far 27% down is, it is staggering of where this actually puts us. Like, I honestly, guys, I'm not even joking about this. I literally feel terrible for people who are about 65 to 67 years old right now who are looking to take out retirement, and they were hoping that their Roth IRAs and their traditional IRAs we're actually going to be in profit. So many people are losing so much money right now, and it's making it incredibly difficult for people to actually retire. And if this comes out, guys, and they actually happen to be true, a 27% drop puts us at 284. Remember I said it's a factor of 10? It puts us at 2,800 if you actually look at this analysis here and you compare it to the chart of S&P 500. 2,800 for S&P 500, and you're looking over here about 280. Again, the whole factor of 10. Guys, if this happens over here, crypto, let's correlate this to crypto right now. Crypto is absolutely going to tank, guys. And you guys think it's like, we're going to head up. This is why we have so much money sitting on the sidelines right now. And when I tell you guys, you need to be having some more money in cash than probably most of you do, this is what I'm talking about. When I show you guys that we still have 61% of our portfolio in cash, some people think I'm absurd. And they're like, why aren't you getting more money in? The market's going to go back up. Well, here is just another article to kind of base that off of, guys. If we see an S&P 500 drop of that much, let me give you guys just a prediction. I easily think we're going to hit $14,000. That is just a no-brainer. That's going to happen. If it goes down 27%, I do believe, although remember this, guys, I'm going to pause you here. 27% is a worst case severe scenario. If it happens to play out, Bitcoin's going to $10,000 undisputably. That is just the easiest. Everyone can probably agree with that if you guys pull the percentages and correlate it to how crypto acts to the S&P 500, okay? Let me wrap this video up here because I know it seems like, we started so good, now we're moving into doom and gloom. Here's the deal, guys. There's no guarantee of that. What I am more concerned about is not that we're going to drop 27%, because that is a very aggressive sentiment. My concern here is the actual emotional sentiment that article is going to place on the market, and that could push Bitcoin down. We're gapping down already on S&P 500. So where are my targets? Guys, I'll come out with a video later today for all of our members. I'm going to go into this really in depth, but I want you guys to all watch for this one thing. I'm going to make this very simple. Trend exhaustion is high, moving down while money flows high, and I'm looking for the drop continued in Bitcoin and Ethereum. What everybody needs to do, guys, is you need to get the top and bottom finder and set this up for the next buy signal. Why am I passionate about that? The strong buy signal came out over here and we saw a jump in Bitcoin. Strong buy came out over here, called the bottom, and we saw the jump. We saw the jump here as well, and it called the exact bottom before I saw a move up. And by the way, the sell signal is on the top candle here. The next time we get a buy signal, you guys need to be setting up your alerts so you can get into this. This indicator, guys, comes with alerts, and you can actually set it up to webhooks if you want to automatically trade for you. So can I take a moment to show this to you guys so you guys get jacked up about this? This is seriously amazing. Come over here and everybody go to top and bottom finder. I want you guys to go to a buy signal once per bar close, and I want you guys to do this. BTC, I want you guys to do buy signal. And I want everybody to set this up. Create this, and we're going to actually create one more, which is called a strong buy. So come over to Bitcoin. You guys need to click top and bottom finder, click strong buy once per bar close, and do BTC, and we're going to call this strong buy, okay? When you guys have the power behind your charts now, let me try to type this out here first, where you guys actually get an indicator and a metric that is calling it this accurate, guys, this is where you start making very good money. Set this up on Bitcoin. Set this up on Ethereum. When you guys see our testimonials come out and you guys hear people making their money back within, 24, 48 hours, they're getting into these signals. Set this up on the 4 hour, the 2 hour, the 1 hour. I'm proving to you guys the scalping strategies that we're using over here and the entries we're taking is 440% more than the S&P 500, okay? Let me show you guys right now how to get a ridiculous discount on this so you guys can set this up over the weekend. My team and I, we take the weekends off because we spend it with family, we go to church, and we rest. So make sure you guys, after this video, as soon as you can, do this exact thing. The bundle pack is going to give you guys 82% off all of our retail indicators for the bundle pack. That includes our flagship indicator, price for swell money flow, and trend exhaustion. Two best indicators to call divergence in the market, and I've shown that to you guys countless times, over 1,000 videos on the internet, okay? What I want you guys to do is get the bundle pack first. You'll get a total of 9 indicators. The source code will be included. You guys will automatically get a 53% off coupon code for the top and bottom finder, guys. It is cheaper to purchase the bundle pack first and then get the top and bottom finder, and you guys will get 11 indicators instead of 2. Here's what you guys can do. The coupon code, take the coupon code, click right here. Everybody, you're going to see this page open up. It's all kept transparent. Come right down here, click I want this, enter the coupon code right here, and you guys will get $400 off of the top and bottom finder. No joke. You will literally see this drop to $349. This is where you guys are setting up alerts in the market, and you are getting a huge edge over everybody else. We have institutions and huge whales using this now, and every single day that goes by, because we have more money using this, it's confirming the signals even more and more, because when a signal comes out like this, people are taking it because they see the accuracy. I did not code this, guys, but this is the number one strongest indicator in the crypto industry, guys, to call tops and bottoms, and this is how we're making money. It's pretty amazing once you get on your charts. Call it your trade butler or whatever you guys want. It's here to help you make money. God bless you guys. Have an amazing Friday. Watch for the next buy signal. That's all I want you guys to focus on. I know it was a bearish article today, but the next buy signal is where we're going to be buying this up like crazy. So please watch for that, guys. Get it set up on your charts and set up your alerts and enjoy the money you make. I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.